Hello everyone, quick video just to show you how to make your own template or grid in the Garments Creator that use with the Epson F2100. And here is the very simple way how to do it. Well, that's how I do it. Maybe there is a easier way, but this is how I do it. So you can do it in Photoshop or Illustrator. I've got Photoshop open now, so let's do what I normally do. So open your document of the size of your platen you want to use. I'm using for DTF. I'm using the biggest platen, which is 16 by 20. So just go and open the document in 16 by 20 inches. Do it as a 300 dpi, and that's your platen on your DTG machine. So what I do, I just unlock the layer and get rid of it. So I have a transparent image. And now you just need to add the size of your sheets. I'm using A3 plus or A3, so let's do A3. So you just need to open another one. Here we go. In Photoshop there is already A3 set, so that's for you. And what you need to do, so that's the second document. So this is your platen, and this is your sheets of DTF sheets. So what you do, you just need to grab that one and just drag it to your platen, and here it is. So that's the perfect size for you for your sheets. So when I use my DTF sheets, I normally you can place them in the middle, you can place them in one of the corners. I'm using top left corner, and that's it really. And now you just hit the enter, and now add your own grid if you want to. So you can add all your own lines, whatever you want. So obviously I'm guessing just where the middle is, so you need to do it properly really. So this is just to show you the example. So this is my own grid. I know this is middle, this is the quarters, and I know where to place my artwork. So here they are. Just a rough idea. Not very well visible, but that's okay. You can make them different color or whatever. You can thicken them up. But I'll do for now. What I do, I mark them. I mark them, so I go for the text tool and I just put A3, and it's a 16 by 20 platen. Here we go. So the only thing I'm going to change now is the color of the letters to white. Okay, that's it. That's at least you know what it looks like. So now you just need to export it or save it as a PNG, transparent PNG. Very slow today. Right, so this is our platen. We just save it to A3 PNG in this case. Right, once saved, just go to your GC, Garment Creator, and you don't want those grids, that's not a problem. Just go to View, Guide View, and just take off that. Grid lines, you can get rid of that line, but I like to keep it because at least I know where where my platen is. So what you need to do now, just go File, Import Background Image, and import your custom-made template. So here it is. It normally opens like this. You open the massive because you did it big. You click on it twice, and those dots need to match the corners of your platen. So just grab one dot and just go right to the corner. Can you see it? What's happened now? So now this white area is your A3. For some reason I can't see my guides. I think I did them too thin. But it doesn't matter, at least you know how to make your own one. Yeah, so this is your A3. Place your artwork. Place your artwork. You can see what it is. It's an A3 16 by 20 platen. And then you can just work with it straight away. And that should work for you now. So obviously this is just a quick video to show you how to do it, and now it's just your imagination on how well you're going to do it. You can go crazy with your guides. There's loads of guides online actually to download. Just look for the grid file and there will be loads of them, loads of different ones. So hope that helps you, and just go creative. Thank you.